Hey guys, it's your girl Anitrani and I'm back at it with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a TKB lip gloss product review and just showing you guys what I ordered in my purchase for my new lip gloss collection. So please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. If you are a current viewer, welcome back, and this is a new video. And definitely don't forget to like, comment, give me your opinion on any new colors that you want me to make or any new scents, and you know, just give me some advice moving forward. Definitely I'm going to put all products in the description box below so you can purchase, and if you want to start your own lip gloss line or business, you can definitely do so by using these products. And without further ado, let's go. So pretty much what I purchased in my order was, I want to say it was a reorder, but just with some new products that I pretty much wanted to try. So originally I purchased TKB original gloss base, and that was, I believe, their natural base. So with the base that I purchased previously before, it was TKB's natural base, and it pretty much is not their natural base is like a little cloudy, so it has like a yellow tint. This is their I guess their gloss base, their natural gloss base. And it was a 3-pound bag, which pretty much is all gone. It's only like this section. And with this gloss, you do have to add other oils in it to loosen it up because it's really thick. Okay, so it pretty much just has the hydrogenated polybutene in it, and that's it. So you're gonna have to add vitamin E oil and pretty much your preference to oils that you want in your gloss. Okay, so the other gloss base that I pretty much ordered was their new gloss base, which is called Glossability Base, and it's a high shine and crystal clear gloss base full of possibilities. You know, they have to throw their little slogan on there. So it's loose, very loose, and the other oils it has in it is vitamin E. Okay, so you can add more vitamin E if you like to. You don't have to add any vitamin E oil. You don't really have to add a lot other oils in it, but it's like I said, it's up to you, as your preference. With the other gloss base, you do. Okay, so moving on, I also ordered Preservative Cap 2. Preservative Cap 2 is a must. This product, Preservative Cap 2, it preserves your product. It pretty much makes your lip gloss last up to however long you want it to last it up to. I'm not gonna say that, but it's however it's supposed. It's, I want to say, up to a year to 2 years. Let me not quote that. I'm gonna do the I'm gonna put the detail down below and let you know how long you can preserve your lip gloss for, okay, using this product. But this is a must. You must put this preservative in there. Its benefits will, any like funguses, any bacterias, anything that pretty much will kill your lip gloss, meaning like if you don't put this product in it and you do have water in your lip gloss tubes, it will create fungus and bacteria and mold. So if you put this in, it prevents that. Next, I ordered castor oil, which is a great product and a great oil to put in for your lip gloss or lipsticks. But in lip gloss, absolutely, it's hydrating. It definitely has benefits far as in moisturizing, hydrating, and any flaky or cracks in your lips or any like raw, like, you know, it just helps moisturize, and it has definitely great benefits. I also put mineral oil. There's two types that you can order from TKB. One, so for the mineral oil, I use 350. Okay, so the difference is with the 350, it's thicker. So it's up to your preference of what you want to use and how much of it you want to use in it. And then there's mineral oil 70, which is thinner. Okay. Also, I use fractionated coconut oil. Okay, definitely. You already know the benefits for coconut oil. If you are allergic, I highly suggest that you don't use any of the oil. You know, any oils that you're not supposed to pretty much use, don't use. Fractionated coconut oil, how much of it? Your preference. With the glossability base, I recommend that you are low with your oils because, like I said, it's already loose. With the other gloss base that I have, which is the natural gloss base, you must put oils in it because you don't want thick lip gloss and it's not gonna move anywhere. Okay, you must put oils in it. Point blank period. I know if you want to know about my hair, okay, and my makeup. For those who know, I am self-taught. No one has taught me how to do hair, makeup, nails, anything. I am self-made, okay? I construct my own wigs, I do my own frontals, I do my own nails, okay? I'll definitely leave the links down below for you to check out my other videos if you wanna, you know, just support your girl. That's it. I'm just here. I'm here for you. I'm here to, you know, share what I know and what you want to know. That's it. Let's just get back into this. Okay, that was just like a little side note. I use grapeseed oil. Okay. Like I said, if you're not a fan, don't use. I am a fan, so I use. How much of it? Your preference. I do add a little bit because, like I said, you don't want to overload your lip gloss with so much oil where the consistency is not there, and it's like, do a little bit first. Like, start off with a little bit of gloss base, and then, you know, you start to put your little oils, and then you have to do your formula. Okay, your formula is your preference. So moving forward would be the Sweetheart collection, which is the lip liquids that I ordered, and it comes with 5 pigments. It comes with white, it comes with, which is like a white, you can use it to dilute or have the pigment stay where it's at, or, you know, switch it up. The white pearl, which is more like a frost, I love for like winter. It could be a summer shimmer, your preference. It comes with a coming up rose, which is more like a darker pink. Okay, and these are like highly pigmented, so I want to see what they're about. Okay, also it comes with a pricky pink. Okay, I know I'm saying like okay a lot, like okay, and then it comes with a yummy pink. These are all, well, these 3 are the pinks that I wanted to use, so I'm gonna try. And I was looking for more of this shade, so I feel like the coming up rose is more in that tone. Okay, next I ordered some flavoring oils. You don't want your lip gloss to smell like nothing. Not like the lip gloss base smells like nothing, so you want it to give it some flavor, some personality, you know. Definitely this package comes with 5 flavorings, which is lemon, zesty lemon. It doesn't say zesty lemon, but it smells so good. It smells very yummy. It comes with caramel candy. It comes with strawberry, which is one of my favorites, mixed berry, and vanilla, original vanilla. Next, I also ordered some Tkb pigments. Well, they're not, they're glitter pigments, okay? Holographic. I ordered 24 karat gold, shimmer pink, starry pink, ooh, lion, right? Lion, starry pink, random glitter, Adam and Eve, ooh, you can't see, there you go, and sparkle rose. Okay, so those are the shimmer pigments, glitters that I wanted to try for the new collection. Okay. And also you need lip gloss wand. Okay, I ordered a bunch of those. That's just one that I'm just showing you. Okay, I need to stop saying okay. That's just pretty much what I wanted to show you. Everything will be down in the description box below. I will definitely be making a new video for my hair, also my makeup. Like I said, I'm self-taught. I'm here to experiment. I'm here to learn. I'm here to just show you my life. I mean, not all of my life, but I'm here to show you what's necessary. So for those who know me, know that I am obsessed with beauty, fashion, lifestyle, just anything that's pretty, and also beneficial to like your health and just overall wellness. So moving forward, we're gonna be doing some like girl chat, some get ready with me videos, and just more creative content. I'm gonna be, you know, talking to you guys, you know, like I know you want to kind of get to know me more. I do want to get to know you more, and just learn. You know, we're here to learn. We're here to learn together. You know what I mean? Definitely everything that you see in here in this video will be down in the description box below. Moving forward, I will be doing more creative content, like, you know, with my hair and, you know, nails. I am self-taught, okay? I am not licensed yet, but I do hair, I do makeup, I do nails, I do everything. Like, I pretty much do everything. I am a triple threat, as they may say. I do sing. That's later on. We're gonna get to that. But thank you for just watching and just wanting to know what I'm doing and how I'm progressing. I have a business. This is not something new. I do have an online business. I sell obviously my lip gloss, other beauty products. I sell fashion. My dogs is actually my love of my life. I have two. I have a Yorkie and a Maltese, and they also have their hat line and visor line. So that's also on the website as well. You can check that out. I just want to thank you, like I said, for just taking the time to view this video, to watch with me, you know, and definitely don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Definitely share, and let me know what you think. You know, this is actually a previous lip gloss I had on before. I'll leave that lip gloss down below so you can actually purchase that, because that's available on the website now. Okay, and that will be in, I think it's red stiletto. It's actually on sale. Okay, so I think it's like $3. Okay, you better catch the sale before it ends soon. So until next time, guys, like, I don't know what else to to say. The next video I'm going to be doing, which will be like my lip gloss making, so you're going to see how I actually create my not create my formula, well, create my formula, but not precisely. I'm ready. I'm here. I'm living life. I'm living life. Definitely just stay tuned. So bye. Like I said, everything will be in the description box below.
So if you would like to achieve this flawless makeup look, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to make a makeup tutorial just for you. So it's very simple, very easy, it's really nothing to it. Definitely thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and just let me know what you think, guys. You know, until next time, bye.